Okay, listen, it's time to clear some things up on this rapping shit. Every time I spit some bars, it's on point like a cactus is. And you try to tell me your clique is just full of savages, while the rest of you was sleeping on me like a mattress, bitch. Yeah, Havoc is the sickest. If you don't agree with me, then your mind is sadistic. Cause every time I do it, it's like I'm shooting ballistics. And I'll have your body shaking, you swear to God you addicted. All of you rappers that's living in punks will assume you spitting the sick shit. Honestly, all of you not on my level, so you need to hop off my dick, bitch. You getting all jealous, I'm taking your place, making the cake. Bitch quick, it's often I beat him, so coughing his sneezing's the only time that you were sick, bitch. So listen close, and just pay attention. You can send your whole team up, dog, I'm gonna slay your henchmen. Your boys be telling you do this Havoc, why'd you play against them? It's too late now, I'm number one, you like 87. Guaranteed I will be wrecking your set when I come to the scene with my harder flow. And you be acting like nobody knows who I am, well I bet you your mama knows. You're rapping the shit, you never get punches, your weakest delivery dominoes. So that is the reason why we in a plane and I'm throwing you off Geronimo. I'm a monster, they never heard of you. So when I say I'm sorry, just know I did it on purpose, dude. Cause what we gon' do, carry shells like a turtle do. And shoot in your direction, you lose your top like convertible. After this rap, I bet all of you pussies will think twice before you start messing with me. The people that know me be like, he was so nice, how the hell could've just left him so mean? I'll tell you what, it was these rappers who acting like guessing was nothing, was guessing with schemes. Therefore I'm throwing their head over top of the rope just like we was a wrestling team.